Disclaimer. All the footage this video contains is filmed on a closed set outside of the United States, and all actions are performed by professionals. Enjoy.
Good, what's good? What going, YouTube? What going? Beautiful Saturday. A little bit chilly, but you know, still gotta go out there and ride, man. Now, next Saturday is looking crazy with a high of 37 degrees. Dude, is this Kansas or something? Like, what are we doing? So, gotta shoot today. I feel like almost every time I hop on the camera, I gotta shoot. You know, gotta stay flicked up. Yeah, it's gonna be a great day though. Meeting with my guy Czar at Legacy right now. And then gonna head over to Irving, because we gotta meet up with my friend. Get my mirrors put back on. Oh, you know, sad day, but it's for the best. It's for protection. So, gotta put the mirrors back on and make sure everything is good. So I don't have no mess ups or, you know, don't miss anything that's coming up from behind me or something. So safety first as always. Obviously the bike looks cool without mirrors, but it looks cool with mirrors, so it's not even an L, it's a win-win. Safety plus looks. Dang, somebody smacked to the back of that car. They're not having a good day. Bro didn't even say what's up back. Dang, that sucks. I must be a fugitive or something. But anyways, man, last day with him, with no mirrors. Looking forward to putting them back on. Gonna be the first shoot back with the mirrors, so looking forward to that. Looking forward to see how it comes out and being able to see what's behind me. Hope y'all having an amazing Saturday, or whatever day you're watching this video. And y'all continue to stay safe. Pray. Trust in God. You never know what can happen, man. He can change your whole life around. Shoot, you can end up doing some things you never thought you'd be doing. Like, for me, it's this motorcycle. Making content. I'm actually really good at it, and I like it. So I'm thankful for that gift. I'm blessed to have it. I know the people that I lane split aren't, but you know, that's just part of it. Yo, Rick, hot flex, woo! So it was brought to my attention that my microphone apparently is hurting one of my viewers' ears. My apologies. I don't know what headphones you have in, but it's not that bad. It's really not bad at all. Whenever I listen to my videos or I watch, it's really not that bad. Yeah. I accidentally downshifted. Oh, I think I upshifted. I don't know. What a beautiful day to drive fast. Oh, look at that Charger. You know I'm gonna go look at it. I gotta get a good look at it, man. Just a little dangerous, but woo, that looks pretty cool. SRT. Up the Legacy. Chevy got it running like it's supposed to. Sorry, open. Ooh. That's nice. Deshaun the Kid. Gotta go say what's up to bro. Hey man. Good to see you again, my boy. The whole looking clean. You putting the wing back on there? Good to see you, bro. Let's get it going, man. Gotta go meet up with my guy. I know he's like, bro, where is this dude at, bro? You never know who you'll see when you go out, man. That's just part of the day-to-day process. Sick McLaren jacket. That hoe is too tough, bro. He's gonna be coming right for these pictures. Look, God, keep us safe and let us have a great time. In Jesus' name I pray. Wow. Ooh, that Lamborghini's nice. Woo. All right, let's get it. About to have to hit the highway to Jacobs. Gotta make sure I know where I'm going. Woo! Gotta go wipe the bike down. Can't be out here looking crazy, man. Gotta make sure I'm looking straight. Sounding good, looking good. I mean, you know how we coming. I got 2 jackets on though, so you already know. What you say? No, I was talking to. Yeah, his bike is the showstopper for sure. Just look at it, bro. Absolutely insane. 2 showstoppers right here. Beautiful Saturday. The jack is looking too sick, bro. Jeez Louise. Gotta analyze them both. Getting the mirrors back on today. He has his off. He has the Reservos. Those are clean. You know we finna go ride. Fun day, man. He's good. He has the address as well. there, boy. That's somebody on their phone for sure.